This is Piano Adventures Level 2B, Technique and Artistry book. Let's take a look at Sunshine Raindrops. This is on page number 9. And here we are practicing changes between major and minor. We're using our cross-hand arpeggios, and we're also listening for balance between melody and harmony notes. So lots of things going on in this short technique artistry piece. First I'll play through it beginning to end, and then I'll go over some practice techniques. Listen for these stronger left-hand melody notes. Alright, so a good way to start this is to play the left hand melody followed by the cross hand arpeggio. Leave out all the staccato blocked chords. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3. Just get that down with the counting. This way you can concentrate on the changes from major to minor, and it helps you with knowing when to use the pedal. Listen for the shaping of your cross-hand arpeggios, crescendo, a little diminuendo. So we're building, and then we're just giving a little relaxed sound at the end. On the last line, notice how the left hand simply takes over where the right hand was. Take over, right hand goes up. Take over, octave higher. One more crossover. Use the ritardando and the diminuendo at the end to give that beautiful finish. Then all you need to do is simply add the blocked chords. Play them soft and stay close to the keys. And just follow the changes from major triads in measures 1 and 2 to minor in 5 and 6. Major again, 9 and 10. Minor, 11 and 12. So enjoy this mood-changing Sunshine Raindrops.